Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's Tez. We back with another one. You feel me? We about to be working on a 335 again. I didn't really have anything to post, so to speak. I put cup holder on there. Every time I got in a car, just seeing the hole there was really making me upset. I ain't gonna lie to you. Alright, so we did that. I was working on swapping out the clock spring on the car. Airbag is back normal how it used to be until somebody jugged the other one. But yeah, this is my old clock spring. I tried to put one in there from a different car, but it ain't really work right. So I'm gonna still have to get that. I'm still gonna be taking care of all the dash lights on the car. Today I'm gonna be swapping out my rear rotors and brake pads because it's like they real low. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, on the car, because like I said, them rotors is over with. And I had these drilled and slotted R1 concept rotors for like a year. I think a year and a half, to be honest with you. I just never got around to it, bro. I just was busy. Like, sometimes you get so busy working on everybody else's car that you don't really get time to work on yours. So today's just gonna be a little short video of me just swapping out my rotors and brake pads. I want to give a huge shout out to everybody who's been supporting me. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Yeah, this is 335. She been chilling. I ain't really been posting content that much. I restored this headlight. I don't know if y'all remember. If you follow me on Instagram, you seen when I did it, but this headlight was like hella yellow and whatnot. I just did a little slight restoration to it. I used the kit from AutoZone, like the $12 kit. I think it's like the turtle wax or something like that. But see, you got the big boy right there. But yeah, I'm doing too much talking, bro. I'm just excited to be able to record for y'all again. I know these are the type of videos that y'all like seeing. Y'all like seeing the you know, the behind the scenes, the nitty gritty of actually building one of these cars and what it takes. Like, I'm showing y'all everything. I'm showing y'all the good, the bad. Like, I'm showing y'all everything that comes with this. That's the difference between me and a lot of other YouTubers that do what I do. As far as like when it comes to building a 335 or M54 single turbo, like, I don't think they really, outside of like the big YouTubers, I haven't seen any other YouTubers like really showing the behind the scenes of everything. Like, we still got a cracked windshield that we got to take care of. Definitely gonna get taken care of probably this week, later on this week. This hood is not permanent. This hood is gonna go. I know people have been saying stuff about that. The lights on the dash, them about to be gone. I'm just taking care of a lot of the little stuff. This car is not far from where I want it. But like I said, I'm excited. Let's go ahead and get into this install. I'm a time-lapse majority of this. I'm pretty sure y'all don't need to see directions on how to do rotors and brake pads. Like, I'm pretty sure y'all know how to do that. But let's get into it. Oh, and another thing I got that I'm about to swap out is the wheel speed sensor. That's another thing triggering my ABS lights, that front right one up there. So we're gonna be doing that. We're gonna be doing the rear rotors and brake pads, drilled and slotted, and then the front wheel speed sensor on the right. Alright, we got the caliper off. Yeah, these rear brake pads was low. Sheesh. Oh, got them off. Put them off to the side. Shouldn't be letting that hang like that. Pop this one off right there. And yeah, gonna keep going. And voila, that old crusty rotor is off. Time to put this beauty on. You feel me? Yeah, dude. All right, as y'all can see, we got this rotor and brake pads on that quick. Really simple. It's a simple job. That's why I wasn't gonna go step by step, because you could look up any video on YouTube and see that. So I'm just showing y'all my part of, you know, of me doing it. Hands getting dirty. Yes, sir. So I'm about to slap this wheel back on there, and I'm about to do the front wheel speed sensor next, and then I'm gonna go on the other side and do that. All right, as you can see, we got that wheel on. I ain't gonna lie, this black look good, like the black on black with the apex. With the apexes look nice. Can't even hold you. But that's eventually gonna go away from braking and whatnot. It's gonna look like this. But either way, I don't even like the drilled and slotted. I just did it just to upgrade from the OEM rotors I had. Preferably, I would suggest you getting just the slotted ones, because these tend to get warped. I probably said it a million times, but I'm gonna keep repeating myself, so y'all don't make the same mistake I did. But yeah, I'm gonna replace the front ones with just slotted ones, because these is a little bit warped. Like when I brake, they make the steering wheel shake a little bit, so I'm gonna swap them out soon. But I did forget that when you're doing the wheel speed sensor on these cars, you got to turn the wheel all the way. Dang, I about woke up the whole neighborhood, didn't I? Well, that wasn't enough. I just went to go check it. That's it right here. Alright, guys. Yeah, that should be good. Alright, I don't know if y'all can see, but yeah, this wheel speed sensor is right there. That's why you got to turn the wheel like how I did. It wraps around here, go up in there. That little pouch right there, so I'm about to swap that. I'm getting ABS codes because of that, so hopefully this and the clock spring will take away the ABS codes. And then I'll probably only have, what else I gotta do? Bro, I haven't even really been able to touch my car. I've been working on everybody else's car. I finished up a turbo swap, N54 swap on a N54. I just did not have time, like, for my car, bro. Like, it feels good to finally have time to, you know, knock all this out. But this is like the little stuff. Like, this is what will cause ABS lights on the BMW and whatnot. And y'all will see dash lights and automatically think, oh, the car's clapped, oh, it don't run right, blase, blah, blah, blah. Man, suck my. I'm gonna be quiet, bro. But bruh, this is what will cause, and anything will cause a light on a BMW, bruh. If you look at the car wrong, it'll throw a light. So the non-BMW owners watching this, so that's the reason why we be having lights, bruh. Like, the only really real important light, in my opinion, is the check engine light, outside of the TPMS and other stuff like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and do this real quick. All right, so new sensor is in. I don't know if y'all can see. Did that fairly easily. I don't know why the videos be looking way harder than than what it actually is. But sometimes you'll watch a video, you'll see them do it in 2-3 minutes, and it'll take you 2 to 3 hours. But yeah, we got that done. So I'm about to turn this wheel back straight on the Winip. Feel me? Big boy. Big boy. put it baby back straight. I ain't gonna lie. Turn this wheel while it's up on the jack. A little sketchy. Just a little sketchy. Damn, popping. TPMS, oh, okay, it's there. I'm gonna have to clear the code, see if the ABS lights go away. All right, so I tightened all the what's the names on there and everything looking good. I'm loving the fitment on this car. Looking amazing. I'm gonna go with a wider tire in the front, probably like a 235. I would say 235, yeah, or 245. I might try 245 in the front. Might rev. No, I'm gonna try 235. That'll look good. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and do that other side, swap the brake pads and the rotors, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much gonna conclude this video. I don't know if y'all want to see me do that. It's just literally the same steps that I did on this side. So other than that, I'm about to wrap this video up. I got more bangers coming soon. Stay tuned. Content finna get valid. Content finna get pretty crazy. So I appreciate everybody stopping by this video. If you haven't already, share this video to somebody you know that's building a car or whatever the case may be. Share it with them. Sub, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. The next video gonna be fire. I'm just trying to let y'all know. All right, this next video finna be lit. All right, so it's your boy Tez. We about to get up out of here. I'm about to do this other side. And follow me on my Instagram if y'all haven't already. We going crazy over there. I think we hit like over 4 million views in total on Instagram alone. Probably it's like 3 or 4 million. I can't really remember. We about to hit over 1 million views. Well, we about to hit 1 million views on the YouTube channel. I think we just recently hit over 800,000. So that's big, bro. Like to hear them numbers, to hear me say them numbers, like 1 million. It may not be the most numbers, may not be the biggest numbers to y'all. I know that it's a lot more people out here that has a way bigger following than me. But I don't look at that. I look at my progress. It's all about my own marathon, my own race in this life, because I'm grateful for. I know damn well he see me making this. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, man, I'm blessed. I'm excited. I'm just happy to be able to share this experience, share my story with y'all with the 335, taking it on the spaces, what I'm doing with it. I'm grateful, bro. Like I cannot complain. Like, and this is only the beginning. Like 2 years ago, if you would have told me that I was about to have millions and millions upon views and growing my channel, growing like crazy, like I'd have looked at you, been like, it sounds about right, but I probably would have laughed. But that's all to say, keep grinding. The only difference between me and you watching this video, is that I did not stop. I did not quit. You feel me? So don't ever get discouraged. You won't go through that little bit of period of when you know trying to figure things out. I was like that. I want this bad. People don't know, I've been doing YouTube consistently on a serious level since 2017, all right? So it's 5 years of me doing YouTube, not with the car stuff. Like all my new subscribers, y'all don't know that I originally started YouTube doing gaming. And I'm gonna return like this week doing gaming. I just took a break to focus on this because this surpassed my gaming like way quicker than I would have imagined. So but yeah, I started that, and then I started this YouTube channel like 2 years ago, like 2020. And then this year, back in March, everything just started growing. Like when I did a single turbo swap, and a lot of people started tapping in, and it just goes to show you, like, everybody has their own time. Don't sit here and looking at the next man, looking at their blessings that they getting and all the good that they getting, and you counting yourself out. You selling yourself out short because you too focused on what they got going on. Focus in on what you got going on. Tap in, do whatever it takes to get to your dreams, man. Like you literally have to do whatever it takes. Step out on faith. I guarantee you God won't leave you hanging. So I just want to leave that little gem, that little jewel at the ending of this video. Shout out to all the real ones that stayed and watched it, because it's gonna bless you. So I wanna hear like the good news, that, you know, like good news from y'all builds, like all the good stuff happening, you know, with y'all and whatnot. I wanna hear that, because I know it's gonna be nothing but good to come y'all way, because y'all associated with me and I'm associated with the Most High. So let's get it. We about to check out. I love y'all, man.